Soldiers coming home. One Friday night at a football game. Lord first said and the anthem sang. A man said, "Boy, bow your heads for a list of the local Vietnam."